Welcome back to Bitcoin updates on Black Panda Crypto. So, today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance. So, this chart basically determines how much dominance Bitcoin is having on the crypto market. So, all the way back in the 2017, 2018 bull run, as you can see, Bitcoin controlled more than 80% of the market cap, controlled more than 80% of the total market cap in the crypto space. Imagine more, it was at some point even 100% before 2016, it was at 100%. Then we saw in 2017 in March, we were at 96, 95%. Then we started dropping down. So this drop down was the out season. This was the out season. This is when the out season started. This was when the out season in 2017 all the way until 2018 started. This is where we saw some crazy gains. XRP reached its all-time high for the first time, and it never reached the all-time ever again, unfortunately. Then we had our Ethereum coming up, all the coins from the 2017-18 out season. Those are the major caps, your BNB, all the coins were moving and lots of money was made. Then we move forward to the 2021 all the way until end of 2021. We had the second out season, and Bitcoin started off at 70%. 70%, it controlled 70% of all the money in crypto. 70% of the market cap in the crypto space was controlled by Bitcoin at the time. And we saw a magnificent fall all the way until 41%. And from 70 to 41%, that is a large drop. And that was the 2021 out season. That's when we saw all the coins, your metaverse coins moving. That's when NFTs were making money. That's when Ethereum was also moving like crazy. We also saw a huge pump from Solana all the way to $250. So that was the last out season we were in. That was in 2021. And that was one of the biggest out seasons because we saw Bitcoin going to 40%, similar to back in 2018. Now we are in 2024. And I do believe, according to this chart, this is the monthly chart. According to this chart, I do believe that out season is beginning. The out season is beginning. The halving is in April, which is not so long from now. The out season is beginning. And I do believe that the Bitcoin dominance will fall under 40%. I do believe that in this cycle, we will see the Bitcoin dominance chart fall under 40% to maybe roughly 20%. That's my target for the Bitcoin dominance in this present cycle. So there are multiple altcoins that we are looking at in this cycle. So I'm currently on CoinGlass, very, very nice application to check your sentiments and fundamental analysis. So you can actually come to download the app CoinGlass, very, very useful. I'll leave the link in the description. So Solana, very, 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 very strong coin in the cycle. Solana, just like in 2021, I do believe that Solana will break all-time highs. Very, very simple at 260. I do believe that Solana will reach $1,000 in the cycle. That's just my estimation. $1,000, 10x from where we are currently. So CoinGlass has all these different things you can look at, all these different things. Total features interest open, features 24-hour volume, we have all this information here, but my favorite one being the liquidation heat map. The liquidation heat map. So the liquidation heat map basically is showing us where majority of traders are going to get liquidated in future. Where majority of traders are going to get liquidated. So as you can see, we have a bar at the very top that goes from 0 to 148 million. That means that is the amount of liquidity that is on the chart right now, 148 million. So where you see the yellow lines is where the liquidity lies. Where you see the yellow lines is where the liquidity lies. So as you can see, there is more liquidity below us than there is liquidity above. So we'll just have to see what happens. It is not always that the market goes to the liquidity. As you saw, the liquidity is only 148 million, which is not a lot. Usually when the liquidity is above $1 billion and it's below us, the market will go to that liquidity and kick out traders. So I want to quickly go on Twitter. Please follow me on Twitter. I go by Black Panda Crypto and I send technical analysis on a daily basis. If it's not on a daily basis, every second day, every third day, I'll make sure that I post something. We'll go by Black Panda Crypto, same as on YouTube. So I post different charts. So this was an ICP chart. Very, very, very nice chart. ICP tether. It was on a support level, 2 support levels to be precise. We have a horizontal and a trend line, and it bounced very, very nicely, defying physics and defying expectations. The internet on steroids, blockchain boosts, lightning fast contracts, and built on in deflation. Bullish momentum increasing by the day. Do your own research, obviously. So as you can see, I was able to make 86% in about 18 hours. I was able to make 86% on ICP. As you go down, you can see this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. I also posted it on Twitter so people can actually get a glimpse of when the alt season is starting. I also shared a meme coin here, but meme coins are risks, so don't necessarily invest in each meme coin that you see. Then I also had one on JTO, one on DOT. So these are just different analysis, different charts. If you want to learn more about technical analysis, I am your go-to person. I am your go-to person. So this is my Twitter account. So all this information is here on TradingView. You can get it, ICP. Let me move down to a smaller chart. I'm on the monthly 4-hour chart. Just exactly what I was talking about. ICP chart, as you can see, it has moved up from the 2 support levels. It is starting to move up, and I'm still currently holding this trade. So if you want to learn more about crypto trading, crypto investing, and actually learning about market sentiments, learning about market psychology, and so forth, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, we're going to be back with a whole lot more videos, and they're going to be better quality, getting better and better by the day. So I will be posting more consistently as we go on, and I will be sharing some very, very nice coins. Very, very, very nice coins. Today I was mainly concentrating on the Bitcoin dominance chart, because I do believe that the alt season will be beginning very, very soon. I do not see the Bitcoin dominance breaking above 54 anymore. And I do believe an out season, a mega out season, is about to begin. So with that being said, thank you for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and Black Panda Crypto, where technical analysis lies. Thank you.